This is the Excel 210mm flip-over saw built for precision, versatility and reliability. Equipped with a powerful 1500 watt motor, it handles a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. Its unique flip-over design allows you to switch seamlessly between cutting and mitre functions, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for DIY enthusiasts. All you have to do is push the lever on both the sides down and flip the saw with the handles and lock it in place. Apart from this, it has adjustable angles from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. You can achieve precise bevel and mitre cuts every time, with features like an electric brake and blade guard ensuring peace of mind during operation. Also, as you can see on the right side, there is storage for table saw equipments. Also, the blade won't come down unless you press the safety lock, and it also comes with a dust bag and a clamp. So overall, this is our XL 210mm flip-over saw, a budget-friendly 2-in-1 powerhouse designed for those who love to create. If you have any questions, drop them below and we are more than happy to answer them. Grab yours now at toolsfortrade.co.uk.